Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add pages on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. Whether you are building your first online store or managing an established e-commerce website, Shopify makes it easy to create important pages that help customers learn more about your brand. With that, let's get started. First, look at the left side menu on your Shopify admin dashboard. Under the online store sales channel, click to expand it and select Pages. Pages are an important part of any Shopify store because they help you provide essential information to your visitors. You can create pages like About Us, Contact Us, shipping information, return policies, FAQ pages, and more. In the top right corner of the Pages screen, click the Add Page button. This will open up the page editor. In the title field, type in the name of your page. For example, About Us. Choosing a clear page title helps both your customers and search engines understand what the page is about. Try to use simple and descriptive titles that match the information you are providing. Right below that, you have the content box. This is a rich text editor where you can type your page's text, format it, or even add images and videos. The content editor works similar to a regular word processor. You can add headings, create lists, insert links, upload images, and format your text to make your page more engaging and easier to read. For example, on an About Us page, you can share your brand story, explain your mission, introduce your team, and tell customers why they should trust your business. On the right side of the screen, under Visibility, you can choose to make the page visible immediately or set it to hidden if you are still working on your draft. The hidden option is useful when you are preparing a new page and want to review everything before making it available to your customers. Once you have finished adding your text and settings, click the Save button. After saving, you can visit your online store and check how the page appears to your visitors. Make sure the formatting looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add pages on Shopify. Now you can create professional pages for your Shopify store and provide your customers with the information they need to confidently shop from your brand. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides.